I just got back from the Create and Cultivate conference in Los Angeles. It's about a $700 ticket. Let's see what's in the gift bag. First up, we have Molly J, some handmade CBD confections. This was a full day conference. It kicked off with Bella Hadid at 10:30. This is a standard dose of some CBD gummies. They all just fell on the floor. I don't know if you saw that. I'm gonna eat one. I really like this brand. Okay, next is like a bandana or something. And it says ridiculously good and Tendel. Fly by Jing. It is a Szechuan chili crisp. This is from P-Ball. It's like a workout place in LA. I've been to some of their classes, and this is called a P-Ball. It's like this thing you use for their classes, so I'm assuming there's like home workouts too.
What?
And there was a pump and measuring tape. Then we have some Vega Hello, or Vega, I guess, Hello Wellness. It's like a smoothie thing with protein. And then from Ollie, a Beat the Bloat. A LaCroix denim hat. I'm not going to lie, I'm excited about this. And more Ollie. This is called Miss Mellow. My baby wanted to say hi. This is Xander. We've got more chili crisp. And then some live tinted. It's like the under eye gel masks that are good for like wrinkles and days after you go drinking maybe. Now we've got some Starface Clear as Day SPF 46. I don't think I've ever seen an SPF 46. This is called Health Aid Pop. This is strawberry vanilla. And this is Grown Alchemist, and it's an age repair moisturizer. We've got a toothbrush from Cocoa Brush, Sparkling Smiles, Sparkling Seas. We've got Array. It's another bloat digestive supplement. I feel like there's like a trend with the bloating. And then this is a protein brownie from Love at First Bite. EatMeGuiltFree.com. Gotta talk faster, running out of time. We've got chili roasted wonderful pistachios. We've got a Her Paper Root. A Plink. This is like an online investing app, so I definitely want to check this out. It's like a USB charging cable. We've got Cocoa Summer Floss, and let me open this. We've got a little terry cloth headband from Live Tinted, a little like cell phone selfie thing from Creative Juice, and then this is a new launch. This is Kai or K Skin, and this is an SPF. We've got lip balms from Rel. This is Ariel Vanderberg's company, which I'm excited to try. This is Enro. It says the perfect mask. You can breathe. This is a card with like some discounts. This is called Cure. This is like a free sample. Then there are a bunch of cards with like different discounts. So this is the haul. What do you guys think?